Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Jenny Parenti, and today I'm very excited to show you guys how to make one of my favorite raspberry vinaigrettes. So I am all about whole foods, making your own goodness, and Magical Butter really has made it super easy for us. So what we are using first is our infused olive oil, and I made this prior, which I love, and you are gonna use this in your Magical Butter machine. So you're gonna put your activated herb, you're gonna put your olive oil in, you're gonna close it, and you're gonna press one simple button, and it's gonna be labeled oil for you. So ideally the machine does everything that you need. And then what we have recently that is new is our Magical Butter storage container. So what I love about this container, it works for two different ways. You can store your olive oil or whatever ingredient that you have in there that's already prior infused, but what it also gives you, and you will see, is your measuring cups. So now you have a 2-for-1, right? You have your storage, you have your measuring cups. Then we are also going to be adding our raspberries. Raspberries, you can either use fresh, you can use frozen, whatever you prefer. That's easier for you. We also have 1/4 cup of our lemon juice. We have 1/4 cup of our white wine vinegar. Then we have 3 tablespoons of our local raw honey. And then we have a little bit of salt for you, 1/8 teaspoon to end your vinaigrette. We're gonna open this bad boy up. We're going to put that right there, and then we're gonna just start putting in those ingredients. So, like I said, we have our measuring cup. Guys, we are gonna go ahead and put in, I'm gonna look at my line. Perfect. We have our oil, so we have our base. We are going to do now our raspberries. Berries are one of my favorites, guys. So what I love about these spatulas, I can use them for a million different things. We're gonna go ahead and put our raspberries right in there. And then we are gonna move on to our lemon juice. So these are our new silicone measuring cups as well. Look how easy this is gonna pour for me, because Jenny loves to make a mess. This is super easy. They are dishwasher safe, heat resistance, which is nice. You're gonna go ahead and put that all right on in. Now we are gonna move on to our honey once again. Look at this. So a lot of the times if you're using like a wooden spatula, it's gonna kind of get stuck. It's not gonna be able to mold in. Look how I'm able to go in there and get all that goodness out. So we have 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Pour that right in. And then we are gonna go on to our salt, guys. You're gonna go 1/8 of a teaspoon. Put that right in there. And as simple as now, just putting your lid right on. We are going to press our blend button, and it's 2 to 3 minutes, and we have our vinaigrette all set for us. Okay. Now our vinaigrette is all done. We are gonna pour it on top of our salad. Look at, not only obviously does it taste amazing, but look at the color of that dressing. Absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and put that right all on top for you guys. So now that everything is poured, it is delicious, it looks beautiful. You are ready to go ahead and serve, guys. So if you are looking for more amazing recipes that are gonna help you guys elevate your health and wellness, go ahead and head over to MagicalButter.com, and you will have endless access to all these goodies.